Gianado. I live in Philippines. Then I live in Corcoran Hills. I can speak vernacular of Tagalog because I live in Philippines. I can speak vernacular. Ako, si Rex Gianado. Nagpuyo ko sa Philippines. It means, me, is Rex Gianado. I live in Philippines. In Tagalog, ako si Rex Gianado. Nagtira ako sa Philippines. Ano? Ganyan talaga. I'm tired of you want me to be. Feeling so faithless under the surface. You don't know what you're expecting of me. But under the pressure and walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. It's coming to I become so numb, I can feel you there. It's become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming there. All I want to do is be more like this. Every next love you to see that you're smiling there. Holding so tightly, I pray to lose this control. Cause everything that you thought I would be torn apart, right in front of you. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And no step remembers to tell another face. I become so numb, I can feel you there. If you come inside, so much more aware. I'm becoming there. All I want to do is be more like this. Every else but you. And I know I'm feeling so. But I know you are just like me. I become so numb, I can feel you there. You turn so tight, so much more aware. I'm becoming there, all I want to do. Be more like this, every last like yours. You turn so numb, I can feel you there. Tired, they come so long, they so many things. I become so numb, I can feel you there. Tired, they come so long, they so many and then my shit. So, can you please subscribe me because no one subscribing or like just like this. Yes, anyway, my idol is PewDiePie. I wanna be like him playing games and that song you've ever heard is Become So Magnetic. Anyhow, my memories next little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. Little bit. Try. Ganyan. Sabi ako. Pwede pa. Pwede ba? I-subscribe mo ako. Pwede ba? Subscribe mo ako. So, let's see.